Hi guys! In this video, you will learn how to use Kajabi Community. To do that, create an account. Sign up for Kajabi account if you don't have one already. You can choose the appropriate plan based on your needs. Access Kajabi Community. Once you have a Kajabi account, log in to the platform using your credentials. Then, set up community categories. Navigate Community section within Kajabi. Here, you'll find option to create and manage your community. Create community categories. Organize your community by creating different categories or topics for discussion. Then, invite members. Invite participants to join your community. You can do this through email invitation, sharing the community link, or integrating with your existing email list. Moderate content. If desired, assign moderators to manage the community and ensure discussions adhere to the guidelines you set. Engage with members. As the community owner or administrator, actively participate in discussions, answer questions, and foster a positive and exclusive environment. So that's how to use Kajabi Community. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!